Hey folks, Kevin here with Kev's Castle and remodelupgrade.com. And in this video I'm going to show you how to hang floating shelves like these. If you're interested, go ahead and hit that thumbs up down below and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this, so you'll know exactly when they come out. Thanks.
I'm starting off by finding the locations of all the studs. I use a pencil and put a little mark on the wall. I'm doing this at about the height that I want the shelf so that once the shelf is installed, it hides the pencil marks. I have links to the tools that I use in this build down in the description below. Now I'm putting a mark of the height of the bottom of the shelf that would be 24 inches above the cabinet below it. This mark will be at the location of each of the studs that I located in the previous step. I previously drilled a pilot hole at each of the studs. I did this by holding the bracket up to the center of this section of the wall and found where the studs are using my marks and then marked on the board for the pilot hole location. I drilled the screw on the left side. These are 3-inch screws and they come with the shelf kit. Now I held the level up to make sure that the next screws are going to be level. You want to check for level both left and right and from the wall coming out towards you, just to be sure that the shelf's going to sit flat. The first shelf I decided to cut from the left and right side because I tried matching the angle of the corner of the walls, but that wasn't really necessary, so next shelves I decided to just cut off of one side and make that straight cut. This step is best if you have a helper to help you out with it, and that's particularly true if you have walls sticking out on either side like this where you need to line it up just right to get it on the bracket. You might be able to do it yourself if you don't have any of these walls sticking out on the sides. Now I'm securing the shelf to the bracket with a pilot hole and then a screw. You want to make sure you drill the pilot hole first because this is soft material and it will split if you don't do that. As I'm doing this step, I am making sure the shelf is level both left and right and front to back. If it's out of level, I will try to see if I can, maneuver it up like this and then install the screw. If that doesn't work, I will take the shelf out completely and put a shim underneath the bracket below, like the bottom part of the bracket, to tilt it upwards, but I didn't need to do that here. I put a couple screws on the bottom and the top just to make sure that it's secure and level. I'd like to hear what you think in the comment section down below.
And that's how easy it is to hang floating shelves like these. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button down below, and there's going to be a link to all the tools I used in this video if you're interested in checking them out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.